Hello everyone, how are you? We've got a very exciting project today. So what we're doing is, my sister has been asking for years that she wants a knife. We couldn't do it at home, now we're at the unit. So we can. What she wants, well, she turned around to me, she said, you decide, I just want a knife, big one. So what I'm doing is the M9 Bayonet. I'm kind of doing it like the CSGO kind of thing. So I designed a CAD drawing, which I'll show you on screen now. And what we're going to do is we're going to make this knife. So in the CAD drawing, I put all the holes where I can drill it. I've got lines for all my fullers that I can mill in. And yeah, this should be an awesome build. I hope you all enjoy it. Fantastic to be back.
So this is a very special moment. I went with a very rough kind of style. The reason for that is I don't know. I'm not one of those that really likes the kind of finished knife. I like rustic kind of bayonets, I suppose, really, you know, like, that look like they've been used. And that's the kind of style I went with. So I'm really happy with all this coming out. So, alright, let's get that straight. Make sure it's central. Yep, lock that down at the back. So what you'll notice is I had to actually weld on some some thread because my die weren't working very well. So I'm not going to over tighten it. There we go. Now all I need to do is laser my name on it. So guys, that's it done. Sister didn't want the Maker's mark on it, so yeah, it is what it is, isn't it? Saves me a job. Anyway, this is the knife done. So I did put an edge on it. I just used a Trizart belt. I didn't want it ridiculously sharp because she's a liability, so that explains that. That was a fantastic build. It's something I've really wanted to do it's something I've really wanted to do for a while. Now this has took me about 1.5 years to make, from the old unit to the new unit and so forth and so on. But it was absolutely fantastic. I've really enjoyed it. I've really enjoyed doing different things, such as I know I was going to turn a piece for this end, but I just thought 3D printing this and using one of these bolts to tighten it all up, I just think it looks so much better. This was 3D printed, this was 3D printed, this was laser cut and powder coated, and I just think using all the different technologies, it looks absolutely fantastic. Real love that fuller, and I just think it's absolutely fantastic. If you did notice, I think I said before, but I welded a piece on because my die just weren't touching it, so I need to buy a new one of them. And yeah, it was absolutely fantastic. Anyway, all the knife making tools such as the grinder, the file guide, the bevel table and so forth and so on are on my website, manchestergrinders.co.uk. You'll find all the knife making equipment there, the grinders, contact wheels, small wheels, all that sort of stuff. So go check that out if you want. Also, my social media will be down below, so that's Manchester Grinders, Onyx Tool Company. Them are in the description below as well. So thank you, and I'll see you later. Thank you.